Hello everyone and welcome to another travel vlog. I'm back in Japan again, this time in Hokkaido. The city is Sapporo. My flight landed in the afternoon, therefore I had to check into my hotel. I'm staying at JR Inn Kita Nijo, which is between Sapporo and Odori Station. The room is not too big, just nice to fit one person. The facilities in the hotel are public hot springs, lounge, laundry and vending machines. Dinner was at Susukino and I went to have some local ramen. This place is called Ganso Ramen Yokocho. It has a few ramen stalls offering local ramen. I went into one of the stores and had to try out their miso corn ramen. This is one of the must-eat dishes in Hokkaido as it's popular amongst locals. The seat offers a great view of the chefs preparing ramen. I ordered corn butter ramen together with the dumplings. It was a good meal, especially for this snowy weather. The price is 2,000 yen for the meal. After dinner, I headed to Sapporo TV Tower. It's a 150 meters tall tower, mainly for radio transmission. Opened in 1957, it is a similar design to Tokyo Tower, which opened just a year later. The price to go up to the observation deck is 1,200 yen. There you will be able to see the city of Sapporo and the weather conditions. The second day in Sapporo started off by having brunch at a local seafood market. It's called Nijo Seafood Market, a 10-minute walk from my hotel. This market offers fresh seafood, consists of crabs, scallops, fish and sea urchins. There's restaurants too. I chose to eat at Donbe, one of the most popular restaurants here. Applied my name and they'll call me to order first, before the seat was available. Once I got into the restaurant, the food was served immediately. That's how efficient this restaurant is. This sashimi bowl cost 2,880 yen. Royce factory was next in our list. It's a 30-minute train ride from the Sapporo station. There's a free shuttle bus too. Royce is one of the famous chocolate manufacturers in the world, and we are heading to their behind the scenes. I had ice cream first, which was soft and creamy. Afterwards, a museum tour. The cost to visit the museum is about 1,200 yen. This tour will take about 1.5 hours to complete. Inside, you will get to understand how Royce chocolate is being made and details of their preparation. They have loads of information you can find. Even you can see the factory and the equipments used in the display. Everything here is very detailed, and there's some fun games that you can play along the way. They even have a chocolate making class inside the factory, in which you have to pay 1,700 yen. Games were really fun to play as well. You can shop their original items they have to offer, but do note this is not a tax-free shop. Heading back to the city center, and beer museum was next. Sapporo is one of Japan's most famous beer brands. This is the only beer museum you can find in the country. There's a free and paid tour. I went to choose the free tour. Here, they share how beer is being made and the history of the brand Sapporo. They have a lot of types of beer. After the museum visit, there is a bar for beer tasting and loads of flavors to choose from. Non-alcoholic drinks were available too. I chose the beer tasting set, which comprises 3 beers and costs 1,200 yen. You can watch the staff pour your beer while you wait for your drink. They have 3 different flavors offered: Black Label, Classic, and Kaitakushi beer. My favorite was the Classic. Dinner was Jingisukan at sheep gen. This dish originated from Hokkaido. Its barbecue mainly consists of grilled lamb with vegetables and marinated in yakiniku sauce. There's a technique to cook this, so place the meat in the middle and the vegetables around it. It was so good and flavorful. The price for this is 5,500 yen. Free drink refills were offered with the set. Third day plans had changed dramatically. The snowstorm was really bad and we couldn't go anywhere with transport. The solution was to go wherever is accessible to the subway. Our first destination was Hokkaido Jingu. It's a 10-minute walk from the subway station. As the snow was pouring quickly, we had to make our way carefully into the shrine. Along the way, the snow makes the park more eye-catching and beautiful to walk. It's located inside Maruyama Park. Cherry blossoms are also beautiful during the season. It's a peaceful shrine to visit, even more beautiful when it's covered in snow. Just beside there is a small snack shop. You can get fresh sweet bean mochi at 140 yen. Shiroi Koibito Park was our next destination. This is the manufacturer of the most famous white chocolate cookie. To enter the museum, you have to pay 800 yen to view the factory itself. Inside, you will see interesting features about this park and also how they make the white chocolate cookies so good. There's a lot of things that you can view behind the scenes. It makes you wonder how fast can they make these delicious cookies. Even shared about their backgrounds in the company. There's a DIY cookie making workshop and it costs 1,200 yen. Many people enjoyed this activity. The souvenir shop is a must and buy those original items before you leave the theme park. Again, it's not tax-free. Last but not least, soup curry for dinner. Another Hokkaido delicacy that's different from the original Japanese curry. I ordered soup curry karage and it cost 1,550 yen. Super tasty and not spicy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Come and travel to Hokkaido when you're planning your next Japan trip. Please remember to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.